In this video, we'll be reviewing the recently launched Infinix Note 40 from China.
This series is known for offering great value for money, especially for people like us.
Let's jump into the review. This is the box of the Infinix Note 40. If we look at some highlights, it is powered by JBL, supports wireless charging, and comes with 256 gigabytes of storage with 8 gigabytes of RAM.
It also supports 45-watt charging speed.
On the back, there are all the specifications of the phone that we will see in detail.
But first, let's take a look at the accessories inside the box.
This is the Infinix megapower wireless charger. What's interesting is that it's portable, and thanks to Infinix, we're getting it in the box.
Now, as we further unbox, here's our phone.
Inside the box, we find some stickers, a user manual, a Mobile Legends gaming card, a tempered glass screen protector, and this is our back cover.
We can use the megapower wireless charger to charge our phone while using this case.
Additionally, there's a Type A to Type C data cable, a 45-watt adapter, and this is our SIM ejector pin.
The phone comes in two colors, Titan Gold and Obsidian Black.
It has a glass back with a matte finish, so no fingerprints, and a metal frame. On top, there's a speaker by JBL
and a microphone.
On the right side, you'll find the power button and volume buttons. At the bottom, there's another speaker, a Type-C port, and the SIM tray, which can hold two SIM cards and a memory card. The left side is plain.
The frame might show fingerprints because it's shiny.
First of all, let's talk about display. It has 6.67-inch 120Hz Full HD Plus AMOLED display, and it has 89.9% screen-to-body ratio. Animation on the phone are smooth. It supports 1300 nits peak brightness, and it has in-display fingerprint sensor and protected with Corning Gorilla Glass. Now, if we talk about performance, it is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate processor, which is based on 6nm architecture. Its Antutu scores are around 428,000.
When it comes to PUBG, we can play in HD on high settings smoothly and in balanced settings on ultra.
The gameplay is okay. As you can see, it doesn't offer a flagship level experience, but you do get a good gameplay experience.
It runs on XOS 14 and Android version 14 out of the box.
As for the battery, it boasts a 5000 mAh capacity and supports 45-watt charging speed. Additionally, it also supports 20-watt megacharge, giving you a flagship-like experience. In the camera department, it features 3 lenses, a 108-megapixel primary lens, along with 2 2-megapixel lenses. Photos are enhanced using technologies seen previously in Infinix devices.
It can record video at 1440p resolution at 30 fps and 1080p at 60 fps.
Additionally, it boasts a 32-megapixel selfie camera, delivering decent quality selfies. And it's coming only in one variant, 8GB LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB US 2.2 storage, starting around €180. So that was all about Infinix Note 40. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for future updates. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and being a part of our community.
We look forward to bringing you more exciting content in the future.